morning, little kittens. Are you all ready for picnic? Yes! I packed snacks only. Priorities. Peanut butter sandwiches. Let's go! Woohoo! We're on our way! Look at the butterflies. They're dancing with us. Singing loud and proud. Move! I want window seat. No! It's mine!
Everyone calm down. We're going to have fun.
Wow! Look at this garden! So many flowers! Let's play tag! Whee! Come on, everyone! This sandwich is so good! Whoa, how did you eat all that? I want some too! Ooh, look at my kite fly! Haha, it's going so high! I want to catch it! Look at the bubble! It's so big! I want to jump too! Pop, pop! Meow, look at the balloons! I want to jump in the fountain! Ooh, shiny! Let's play together! Look! The butterfly is flying over the pond! Wait! Look at its wings! We should let it go! Let's go into the forest. Come on, it's safe. Look, there's a deer! Wow! It's so big! Don't be scared! We're friendly! He likes it!
Just a little further, little ones.
Look at the sparkles!
Thank God you all are safe. We were looking for you. Now come and finish your lunch.
We saw a butterfly that looked like a dragon!
That's wonderful.
Oh, the forest trail was so winding today. I saw a squirrel balancing on a branch, and then it jumped into the water.
That sounds like quite an adventure.